Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I wasn't planning on a second video of this, but my mentor sent me something like this. I recreated it and makes it a really cool effect. So we're going to take this, or we're going to Control D, and we're going to, let's try changing it to like 80%. And see the rotation, I'm going to say 20 degrees. That looks pretty cool. Now we're going to hit Control D again. I need to either back it up to like 38 degrees, maybe 39 degrees. I think I'm still going to have to, I hit 390. Then you can make this like 61%. I typed in 31. All I'm doing is trying to get rid of that white line. Control D and make a duplicate. Let's just hold down the shift key, bring it in, and see it. I don't know why it's kind of, it makes it look like it's spinning it, but it's really not. It's just bringing it down. And we'll rotate this back to 0. And really it, as long as it's covered in the white lines, I think we're good. Control D, hold down the shift key, rotate it like 20 degrees. Control D, make this a little bit bigger, 32%. All I'm trying to do is get rid of that white line. We'll make this like 25%, and that looks pretty cool. Let's take away our indexing lines. And then to make it even look better, we are going to right click no outline. Maybe I'd already done that, but that is a pretty cool design. Almost makes it, if you did a curve one, it'd almost be a rose. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.